Welcome to my YouTube channel. In previous lecture we did discuss about the different rules like paying attention to homophones of English grammars and adjectives and adverbs, the difference between adjectives and adverbs with illustration. And we discussed homophones like it's, I and I, here and here, break and break, flower and floor, hour and hour. So now we will discuss another important topic in English grammar, and that is the correct conjugation of the verb. So remember to change the verb to agree with the subject. The main subject you need to be careful with are he, she and it, because they often have a different form to the others. For example, she has 2 cats, right? This is right. It is a verb in subject agreement. She have 2 cats. No, it's wrong. There is no agreement of the verb with the subject. So this seems like a small mistake to make, but unfortunately it is a very noticeable one. So if you can avoid it, it will make a big difference to how accurate you sound. Remember also that when you describe something using there is or, the verb must agree with the first item you mention. For example, there is a sofa, some chairs and a table. Here are some same chairs, a table and a sofa. So these are the agreement of the verb with the subject. So this is a rule in English grammar. Connect your ideas with conjunctions. Another rule in English grammar. So if you want to connect 2 ideas or short phrases, you can do so by using conjunction. For example, I am studying English. English is important. Becomes after connecting it with the conjunction that I am studying English because it is important. So this is connecting your ideas with conjunction. So the most common conjunctions are and, addition, because to give the reason. But is used to express the contrast. So is to describe a consequence or to describe an alternative. So here are some examples. He likes football and he plays in a team. We are going out because we are bored. She wants to study more because but she doesn't have time. This is a contrast, like she wants to study more but she does not have time. We are going out because we are bored. Because is expressing the reason, is giving the reason. He likes football and he plays in a team. So this is addition, like one thing he likes, other thing he plays. So this is a kind of addition of one thing with the other, one idea with the other. Kim is coming round, so I am cleaning my flat because. So is this consequence, like so is it means that he is coming round, so I am cleaning my flat, so that's why I am doing so. So this is when something is done as a consequence of other, so the so is added as a conjunction in order to connect that idea with other. Would you like tea or coffee? So this is an alternative, like you are supposed to share your opinion regarding your choice, like you are going to pick or take tea or coffee. So this is an alternative, and the alternative is expressed by the conjunction or. So this is the use of conjunction. So these were the 2 rules, like the subject and verb agreement and the conjunction is connecting the ideas. Thank you. Keep watching my YouTube channel.